Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will be discussing in this video, experience the power of protein water. There has been a lot of buzz around protein water lately, with some people swearing by its benefits and others questioning whether it's really worth it. So, let's dive into the facts and see if protein water is right for you. Firstly, let's talk about the health benefits of protein water. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, and can also aid in weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing cravings. Protein water offers a convenient and refreshing way to increase your protein intake, without having to worry about mixing and measuring powders. If you're looking to build and repair muscle, protein water can be an essential part of your nutrition plan. Protein is an important nutrient that provides the building blocks needed for muscle growth and repair. By consuming protein water after a workout, you can provide your body with the amino acids it needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue that's been broken down during exercise. When we exercise, we create micro tears in our muscles, which need to be repaired in order to grow stronger and more resilient. By consuming protein water before a workout, you can also provide your body with the fuel it needs to perform at its best, ensuring that you're able to push yourself harder and maximize muscle growth and repair. On the other hand, if you're not consuming enough protein, your body won't have the raw materials it needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, which can lead to slower gains and longer recovery times. Protein water offers a convenient and low-calorie way to increase protein intake, making it a great option for those who are looking to support muscle growth and repair without consuming too many calories or having to prepare a meal. So if you're serious about building and repairing muscle, be sure to make protein water a part of your nutrition plan. Your body will thank you for it. Are you trying to lose weight but struggling to find a low-calorie, convenient, and effective way to increase your protein intake? Look no further than protein water. Protein water can aid in weight loss in a number of ways. First, protein is known to increase feelings of fullness and reduce appetite, which can help you eat fewer calories throughout the day. By consuming protein water as a snack or part of a meal, you may be less likely to overeat or snack on unhealthy foods later on. Additionally, protein can help to preserve lean muscle mass while you're losing weight, which is important for maintaining your metabolic rate and making it easier to lose weight and keep it off in the long term. Protein water offers a convenient and low-calorie way to increase protein intake, making it a great option for those who are trying to lose weight. By replacing high-calorie snacks or sugary drinks with protein water, you can reduce your overall calorie intake and increase your protein intake, leading to better weight loss results. So if you're looking for an easy and effective way to support your weight loss goals, consider incorporating protein water into your diet. Are you tired of drinking bland protein shakes or struggling to find a convenient way to increase your protein intake? Look no further than protein water. Protein water offers a convenient and refreshing way to increase your protein intake without sacrificing taste or convenience. By replacing sugary drinks or high-calorie snacks with protein water, you can reduce your overall calorie intake while increasing your protein intake, making it easier to achieve your health and fitness goals. Protein water is also a great option for those who are always on the go or have busy schedules, as it's easy to pack in a bag or take with you to work or the gym. Plus, with so many delicious flavors and brands to choose from, protein water offers a refreshing and enjoyable way to stay hydrated and meet your daily protein needs. While protein water shouldn't replace whole food sources of protein, it can be a convenient and low-calorie way to supplement your protein intake and support your overall health and fitness goals. Firstly, those with allergies or intolerances to certain ingredients commonly found in protein water, such as whey protein or artificial sweeteners, should avoid it. If you have any concerns about whether protein water is right for you, It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian who can provide personalized recommendations based on your individual needs and goals. Some people may also experience digestive discomfort or bloating after consuming protein water, particularly if they have a sensitive digestive system or consuming too much protein. Lastly, it's important to remember that protein water should not replace whole food sources of protein, as these offer a wider range of nutrients and are often more filling and satisfying.
Protein water offers a convenient and refreshing way to increase your protein intake, support muscle building and repair, aid in weight loss, and promote overall health and fitness. Whether you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or just looking for a convenient way to increase your protein intake, protein water is a great option to consider. So next time you're thirsty or in need of a quick protein boost, reach for a refreshing bottle of protein water. Your body will thank you for it.